Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. My name Mr. Hardesh Kumar. Today we will discuss about the three orthogonal coordinate system. Subject electromagnetic field. Coordinate system. Coordinate system in this subject basically three types: Cartesian coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system, and spherical coordinate systems. In a 3D space, a coordinate system can be specified by the intersection of three surfaces. An orthogonal coordinate system is defined when these three surfaces are mutually orthogonal at a point. That means this. Any point, suppose P, तीनों पॉइंट आर इंटरसेक्शंस. दिस इज द ऑर्थोगोनल coordinate systems. The cross product of two unit vector defined as a unit surface. Those unit vector is the third unit vector. A general orthogonal coordinate system, the unit vector are mutually orthogonal. Here 3 point different direction. Suppose this is the x, this is the y, this is the z, and point O. So these directions x, y, z, in between Cartesian coordinate system, spherical coordinate system, and cylindrical coordinate systems. This is the ux1, ug2, ug3, 1, 2 and 3, and different line we intersect point. The most commonly used coordinate system. First, Cartesian coordinate systems, cylindrical coordinate system, and spherical coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system x, y, and z, and differential dx, small differential length in x directions, dy, small differential length in y direction, and dz, small differential length in z directions. Thus, if we will increase each coordinate by a small amount, then a differential volume is formed. See the shown figure A. Because of the differential changes in x, y, z coordinates, a differential volume is obtained as shown in figure. This differential volume is given by dV. dV equal to dx, dy, dz. Here dsx, suppose surface area, dsx differential surface area, dsy differential surface area normal to, dsz differential surface area. In this case, the differential line elements is dl differential length, dl dl equal to dx ax, ax is the unity vector, plus dy ay unity vector, plus dz az unity vectors. So Cartesian coordinate system in three axes x, y and z, and this portions this and this and this Cartesians calculate of each point P. Point P define of difference dsx, dsy, dsz. So y planes and this direction, x and z, z and y, y and x. So dy and dx, dz, this is the dz, and this is the point P. P equal to x plus dx, y plus dy, z plus dz. And O point 2 and this point 2 and this point to this point, dl, differential line. Differential volume in Cartesian coordinate in different changes in x, y, z coordinate system, right? And cylindrical coordinate system. Cylindrical coordinate system. In the cylindrical coordinate system, any point P, P is obtained at the intersection of three mutually perpendicular surfaces. This is similar to the Cartesian coordinate systems, but in Cartesian coordinate system, three plane surfaces are used. While in cylindrical coordinate system, two plane surfaces are used, and the third surface is the cylindrical surface. Consider three direction x, y, z, and point this point P. So cylindrical shape, suppose cylindrical shape, this point this and this and this. This is a cylindrical shape. Point of O and this is the point P. R rho is the radial distance. R is the constant. Phi vary from 0 to 360. Consider one more vertical plane. Such that its one edges coincide with the z axis. This is a vertical plane, so it is perpendicular to the horizontal x and y plane. This plane make full rotations along z axis. That means phi is vary 0 to 360, right? At any one direct position of this plane. Phi is the constant plane, this plane is shown in figure. Now R constant surface is a cylindrical surface and phi constant surface in a vertical plane surface. So if we will take intersection of these two surfaces, a line is obtained. Now you might be remembering that to obtain at point P. Intersection of a line and a plane should be taken. This line is used of differential line surface. And next, spherical coordinate system. Spherical coordinate system x, y, z. Three coordinate systems with respect to of spherical shape in point P. Angle of theta, angle of r radius, and angle of phi. So this theta is calculate of any point in phi, r and theta with respect to spherical shape. In Cartesians, direction of unit vector are independent of their position. And cylindrical and spherical system, direction of unit vector depend on position. Right? This is the Cartesian system. So Cartesian system, x, y and z. With respect to this shape, Cartesians, ux, uy, uz. An intersection of three plane, x constant, y constant, z constants. Property ux dot ux, uy dot uy, uz dot uz equal to 1. Ux dot uy equal to ux dot uz equal to uy dot uz equal to 0. So three unity vectors ux into uy equal to uz. This is the dot product, this is the cross product. Ux cross uy equal to uz, uy cross uz equal to ux, uz cross uy equal to ux, uz cross ux equal to uy. And arbitrary vectors a equal to ax ux plus k ay uy plus k az uz. Right? This is the Cartesian systems. DL or differential line elements, DL equal to ux, dx plus k uy, dy plus k uz, dz. 3 of 6 differential surface element dsx, 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 dsy, dsz. This is the dsx, this is the dsy, and this is the dsz. This is the dz, this is the dv, dv the differential volume, and dx differential directions, dy with respect to of x, y, z. And differential length dl with respect to of line charge integral L. So differential volumes element dv equal to dx, dy, dz. And dl are dx plus k dy plus k dz. Coordinate system cylindrical. This is the cylindrical type. An intersections of cylindrical and two plane, differential line dl equal to d rho u rho plus k rho d phi u phi plus k dz uz. Three directions in phi, r, rho and z. uz, u phi and u rho. And differential length dl. Point of intersection p, p equal to rho phi z या r phi z. And arbitrary vector a equal to ar ur plus k a phi u phi plus k uz az. And this is the a phi az rho d phi dsz ds phi dv and ds ds rho dv ds phi dsz. Dz point of point intersections and D low. Coordinate system sphericals. This is the spherical types. Phi, R and theta. Z, Y, X. UR, U phi and UZ. This is the spherical shapes. X, Y, Z, theta, phi. An intersection of a sphere of radius, a plane that make an angle to the x-axis and a cone that make an angle to the z-axis. Coordinate system spherical. Property UR cross U phi U theta equal to U phi, U theta cross U phi equal to UR, U phi cross UR equal to U theta. Differential length dr equal to dr UR plus k R d phi U phi plus k R sin theta d phi U phi. Differential area ds equal to R square sin theta d theta d phi UR plus k R sin theta dr d phi U theta plus k R dr d phi U phi. Differential volumes dv equal to R square sin theta dr d theta d phi. And a rotating vector a equal to AR UR plus k A theta U theta plus k A phi d phi U phi. System convergence. Cartesian to cylindrical, Cartesian to spherical, cylindrical to Cartesian, spherical to Cartesian. Cartesian to cylindrical, rho equal to root of x square plus k y square, phi equal to tan inverse y upon x, z equal to z. Cartesian spherical, r equal to x square plus k y square plus k z square, theta equal to tan inverse root of x square plus k y square upon z, or phi equal to tan inverse y upon x. Cylindrical to Cartesians, x equal to rho cos phi, y equal to rho sin phi, z equal to z. Spherical to Cartesians, x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi, or z equal to r cos theta. Repeat vector operations. Del dot del into a equal to 0, del cross del a equal to 0, del cross del a equal to del square a, del into a equal to del a del square a, del square a equal to del square a upon del x square plus del square a upon del y square plus del square a upon del z square equal to 1 upon rho del a upon del rho plus 1 upon rho square a upon del phi square a upon del z square. This is cylindrical. Spherical 1 upon r square del a upon del r plus 1 upon r square sin theta del a upon del theta plus 1 upon r square sin theta del square a upon del phi square. Phasor. Phasor, basically a phasor is a constant complex number. Represent the complex amplitude, magnitude and phase of a sinusoidal function of time. Vx, this is the Vx equal to Vo e की power j omega. This is the basically two portion, real portion and imaginary axis. Real part and imaginary parts. For Vt, V0 cos omega t plus k phi equal to real part of Vx e की power j omega t. dV upon dt, differential volume upon differential time. Real part of j omega v x e की power j omega t and integral of v dt equal to real part of 1 upon j omega v x e की power j omega t. Not phasor notation implies that signal have the same frequency e की power j omega t is two portions, real portions and imaginary portions and complex number. So a phasor is a constant complex number represent the complex amplitudes. Phasor notation implied that signal have the same frequency. Therefore, phasor are used for linear system. Phasor are used for linear system. Example: express the loop equation for circuit in phasor if Vt equal to V0 cos omega t. V0 cos omega t. So this is the R, this is the resistance, this is the inductance, this is the capacitance, this is the power supply. So resistance is oppositions of current, inductance मैग्नेटिक्स एनर्जी को स्टोर करता है, कैपेसिटेंस इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी को स्टोर करता है एंड दिस इज द प्लस माइनस पावर सप्लाई. सो दिस पावर सप्लाई, दिस लूप, तो V इक्वल टू L di अपॉन dt, करंट विद रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ टाइम, L इंडक्टेंस प्लस RI प्लस के 1 अपॉन सी इंटीग्रल ऑफ I dt, IT इक्वल टू I0 cos ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5, V0 cos ओमेगा टी इक्वल टू I0 माइनस के ओमेगा L साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5 प्लस के R cos ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5 प्लस के 1 अपॉन ओमेगा सी साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5. तो Vt इक्वल टू V0 cos ओमेगा टी इक्वल टू रियल पोर्शन ऑफ V0 e की पावर j5 e की पावर j ओमेगा टी, रियल पोर्शन ऑफ Vx e की पावर j ओमेगा टी. तो Vx इक्वल टू रेजिस्टेंस प्लस j ओमेगा L माइनस के 1 अपॉन ओमेगा सी और Ix. दिस पोर्शंस इज कैलकुलेट ऑफ फेजर वैल्यू एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर एंड साइनसोइडल फंक्शन ऑफ टाइम. तो V वोल्टेज V इक्वल टू L di over dt प्लस के RI प्लस के 1 over C with respect to of inductance, resistance and capacitance. 3 resistance, inductance and capacitance. V is the voltage, V equal to L di over dt, RI plus के capacitance 1 upon C integral I dt. This value calculate of the voltage and IT, current IT, I0 cos omega t plus के 5. This is phasor value, complex amplitude, magnitude and phase of a function of time, phase of time. Phi is the angle, phasor angles, omega t phase angle of times. This is generally output voltage V0 cos omega t and output current I0 माइनस के ओमेगा साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5 प्लस के R cos ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5 प्लस के 1 ओवर ओमेगा सी साइन ओमेगा टी प्लस के 5. तो Vt, दिस इज द वोल्टेज इक्वल टू V0 cos ओमेगा टी इक्वल टू रियल पार्सन ऑफ V0 e की पावर j5 e की पावर j ओमेगा टी. दिस इज द इमेजिनरी पोर्शंस एंड रियल पोर्शंस. तो रियल पोर्शंस एंड रियल वैल्यू Vx इक्वल टू R प्लस के j ओमेगा L माइनस के 1 अपॉन ओमेगा C. एंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑफ करंट कैलकुलेट ऑफ दिस वैल्यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑफ 3 कंपोनेंट, रेजिस्टेंस, इंडक्टेंस, कैपेसिटेंस, R ओमेगा L माइनस के 1 अपॉन ओमेगा C एंड वोल्टेज एंड करंट. सो वोल्टेज is the input value Vx and Ix with connected of loop flow of current I. So this value वी एक्स इक्वल टू आर प्लस के जे ओमेगा एल माइनस के 1 अपॉन ओमेगा सी आई एक्स. Thank you watching this video.